like a theater where she makes her appearance every day.
Mugraeng Chef, all about Korean food.
Same old play. She's the main character, the heartbreaker, the savior, and the one that got away. So far away, yet so close to me. And it is getting harder to know feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away, I can still see her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach, she's just out of reach. She's not too accepting, but I hope to be her one exception someday. But someday seems so far away. Yeah, I'm just in atmosphere, heartbroken. You never know, 'cause you never know I'm here as she basks in our thunderous cheer. Harder to match feelings that I harbor for her, 'cause she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away, I can still see her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach, she's just out of reach. Oh, my heart's in a cast, but it's a terrible actor, 'cause my emotions are kept in the background every time I get close and our eyes connect. I know how it goes, but I love to forget that she's just out of reach, even when she's right in front of me. And on the days when she's miles away, I can still see her face. I guess I'm a ghost and she is a dream, the most beautiful thing I've seen. And she's just out of reach, she's just out of reach.
Mugraeng Chef, all about Korean food. Mugraeng Chef, all about Korean food.
There are things in my past I don't wanna remember. There are times in my life I'd rather forget. But maybe one day when my mind goes and I start to lose everything I know, maybe then I wouldn't take it all for granted. But if we ever make it to those days, I hope I never will forget your face. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. Do I one thing that I can't afford to lose? 'Cause even if you're gonna be lonely, then maybe that's fine with me. 'Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember you. There are places I go when I need somewhere quiet. There are days when I think no one else understands. But I know you see all my feelings, even when I try my best to conceal things. Baby, I love you to the end of time. But if we ever make it to those days, I pray to God I don't forget your face. 'Cause if I can't remember you, I don't know what I would do. Do I one thing that I can't afford to lose? 'Cause even if you're gonna be my only memory, then baby that's fine with me. 'Cause I don't know what I would do if I can't remember you, yeah. If I can't remember you. Maybe I'm looking too far ahead. I don't wanna ever have to wonder if I said that you are mine forever, even when forever ends. Yeah, I need you to remember, in case I do forget. 'Cause if I can't stop, 'cause I don't
Mugraeng Chef, all about Korean food.
can't imagine why you talk to me at all. Hey, am I standing? Did I start to float? Lovely feeling that I wish would never go, but I know that just like the summer days, baby, your days is fleeting. And out of all the words I say, yeah, it sounds the same, but I mean it when I tell you I don't wanna love another. Baby, this time I won't stutter. Mind is racing at a breakneck speed. Hands are shaking, and it's not the caffeine. At least I don't think so. I guess it could be though, but it doesn't matter either way. 'Cause I still say something stupid like, what would you do if I stopped? Just like the summer days, baby, your gaze is fleeting. And out of all the words I say, yeah, it sounds insane, but could you read my mind? Cause just like the summer days, baby, your gaze is fleeting. And out of all the words I say, yeah, it sounds cliche, but I mean it. When I tell you I don't wanna love another, oh yes, you could be my girl, and I your best.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere
Mugraeng
on
Chef,
TV,
all about Korean food.
Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. You know the things kissing in the sun, holding hands and mittens, waking up together at home. At the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright